Ikaw ba ay 20 anyos at 20 pesos pa rin ang laman ng wallet mo? Nako, huwag kang panghinaan ng loob. Dahil sa video na ito, ibabahagi kung anong mga dapat mong gawin para ikaw ay magiging financially free na pagdating mo ng 30s. Kung interesado ka, you got to watch this video.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there! This is Ching Kita ng inyong pambansang wealth coach. Super excited ako sa session po natin ngayon. Ang pag-uusapan po natin on the things that you must do in your 20s so that you can become financially free by 30s. Pero bago natin pag-usapan yan, tanong ko, nakasubscribe ka na ba sa channel na ito, kapatid? Kung hindi pa, napag-iiwanan ka na. Friend, I want to encourage you to please subscribe on this channel. So, this is the channel of the Eponaryo at mga paunlad. So, pag-usapan po natin dito ay paano ba tayo magiging financially free. Alam mo, pag umabot na po tayo sa adulting stage, siyempre sa ating, pagka lumagpas tayo ng 19, magto-20 na, sometimes na anxious tayo, nape-pressure po tayo na kailangan po natin na kailangan mag-adulting na, di ba? Nakakatakot na mapag-iwanan, nakakatakot baka mahusgahan, at syempre sasabihin pa, tanda mo na, wala pa rin nangyayari sa buhay mo. Ay nako, here is my advice. Okay, if I can advise my 20-year-old self, ito yung sabihin ko. Number 1 ang kailangan natin gawin para tayo maging financial free by 30s is what? Practice delayed gratification. Ay, grabe yan mga friendship. Believe me. Kasi yan po ang ginawa ko. Nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa magulang ko at a very young age. I was already trained to really sacrifice now para ika nga ginhawa later. So, ang ginawa ko po talaga ay live below my means. Like for example, ang inuuna ko talaga syempre hindi ako gumagastos sa mga bagay na hindi ko kailangan. Diba? Ang ginagawa ko, nagtsatsaga ako, nagtitiis talaga ako. Hindi naman sa dine-deprive ko yung sarili ko. Ang alam ko, kasi pag ako ay nag-enjoy now, I will suffer later. But if I, right now, syempre, practice savings right now, become responsible with my money, I will enjoy later. So, yan ang pinakauna. Yung parang, magsasacrifice ka muna ngayon. Wala munang masyadong gastos, wala munang masyadong pasarap sa buhay. That's number 1. And then, next po, ang tip ko rin po sa inyo as part of yung discipline po natin, advice ko sa sarili ko, please on your 20s, never compare yourself with others. That's number 2. Importante po yan. Na wag natin kukumpara ang ating sa ibang tao kasi dalawa lang po ang mangyayari if we compare ourselves with others. Number 1, yung parang magkakaroon ka ng self-pity, maawa ka sa sarili mo, sila may nagawa na ikaw wala pa, sila may nakamit na ikaw wala pa. Nagigets nyo? And so, in the process, kung naawa ka sa sarili mo, you will what? Buy the things that you cannot afford to impress the people that you do not like. Kaya nga, stop wasting time and money to impress what? Others. It doesn't make you cool, as a matter of fact, especially if you are broke and poor. Let's say for an instance, nalaman mo ng tropa mo na may laptop sila, gusto mo rin magkaroon ng laptop. May laptop ka nga, pero utang naman. May laptop ka, wala ka naman pambayad ng kuryente at internet. Don't go broke trying to look rich. Instead, focus on improving yourself without trying to impress others. Yan po yung pangalawa. Ang pangatlo, ang pwede ko sabihin sa inyo, if I can say to my 20-year-old self, is prioritize savings. Nako, you can never go wrong. Maniwala ka. Save. Hindi spend. Alam mo mga friendship, pag tayo po ay hindi tayo nag-iipon, ano po mangyayari niyan? Wala tayong emergency fund, wala tayong investment fund, wala tayong business fund, di ba? Yan po ang magiging consequence yan. Chinky naman, ang hirap mag-save kasi ang daming tukso. Oo, marupok ako. Eto na, friendship, learn how to say no. Kailangan marunong kang humindi sa barkada, humindi sa mga nagyayaya sa iyo na mag-shopping, na mag-travel, na kung wala kang budget, di ba? At saka, ito pang tip ko sa inyo, learn how to say no sa mga yung umaabuso, na hingi ng tulong at hindi marunong magbayad. Mga friendship. Ito lang mga friendship, dahil huli na itong parte ng video na ito, I will reveal my best advice, yung sa last part. Kaya huwag kayong mawawala. Pero bago ko i-reveal syempre ang last, babatiin muna natin si Joseph Dave Mercado, Marco Palmyra, at syempre naman si Pokang Pinoy Vlog. Hi there from Taiwan. Ito yung last na payo ko sa 20-year-old you and 20-year-old self. of mine kung mabibigyan ng pagkakataon. Ito, please, 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 don't do this. Don't play safe. Yes. If there's one thing that we must learn while you and I are still young, it's very important that we should learn how to take calculated risks. Ika nga, huwag kang matakot na sumubok. Never allow fear, unbelief, doubt to stop you from pursuing your dreams in life. Kung meron kang gustong umpisahan na negosyo, umpisahan mo. Paano kung malugi? Okay lang. Try ulit. Kung meron kang gustong i-invest, learn how to invest. Umpisahan mo. Paano kung malugi nga? Naku, okay lang. Ito lang ang mga friendship, ha. Mas maganda na po, kahit na magkamali ka. Bakit? Bata ka pa naman. Diba? Meron ka pang time. Meron ka pang energy para mabawi mo lahat ng nawala po sa inyo. Alam mo, pinaka nakakalungkot, if you always live in fear, doubt, and unbelief, and you will live in regret. Yung parang sabi mo, ay sayang, sana ginawa ko to, sana nagawa ko. Ay, nako, mga friendship. Never be afraid to take risks. So, importante ha, lalo na para sa mga taong gustong matutong mag-invest, 'di ba? Para pagtanda mo, wala kang puproblemahin. For me, being in your 20s is the best time of your lives. So, because you'll be able to explore new things, kaya wag mong sayangin ang pagkakataon na ito. Kaya ngayon, ang tanong ko, ikaw ba ay willing na ba mag-take ng risk? Especially to create what we call as passive income through investing. Chinky nga, hindi ko nga alam po anong pag-uumpisa. Natatakot nga ako. Kaya nga, I have good news for you. I have created an online course that will surely help you to learn everything about cryptocurrency and stock market, if it is really for you or not. Kung gusto malaman if crypto and stock is for you, let's watch this video.
Ito ang dahilan kung bakit maraming mga Pilipino ang patuloy na kumikita sa crypto and stock.
Teka, sobrang ganda ng stock market pero bakit hindi siya masyado pinag-uusapan ng mga tao? Bakit?
Kung ito'y naging epektibo sa iba,
Hindi naman pala siya ganun eh. It's not as complicated as what most people think it is. Pero totoo na hindi lang dapat kayo papasok na dahil nabili nyo sa ibang tao or tingin nyo sobrang dali lang na papasok kayo na wala nang alam.
magiging epektibo rin ito sa'yo.
Please enlighten us. What were the challenges during the time when you were starting?
With thousands of people enrolled,
One of the major challenges was finding, there was really not that many people that knew about it or that would talk about it.
sa loob ng course, to confirm your growth, may exam para ma-measure mo ang mga natututunan mo.
Ang gagaling po ng mga speakers kasi talagang naiintindihan nila kung ano yung sinishare nila.
Sobrang sulit ng event.
Enroll now.
Hindi talaga ako fan dati po na nagbabayad for mga webinar. Kasi akala ko dati lahat matututunan ng libre. Until eventually, nung after nung event, na-realize ko kung gaano yung kaganda yung value of actually paying for something.
Magkano ba ang pwede nating kitain from investing in crypto? May to June of 2017,
Now, and it was especially true back then, is volatility, right? And once you've been in the crypto market for a long time,
So ngayon mag-a-add tayo ng moving average.
Enroll now. Experience the sulit factor that this course is giving, lalo para sa mga beginners. Give that dream income by investing it right. Learn to earn here at Investment 101.
So guys, there you have it. I hope that you are enlightened na huwag kayong matakot pag kayo 20s. Come on, di ba? Subok lang na subok. Anyway, you have time and energy in your hand. Maraming salamat po sa pag-tune in. Nako, ito naman yung inyong paboritong pambansang wealth coach na nagsasabi. Subscribe, like, and share. This is Chinky Tan saying to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Think positive. Bye. Thank you for watching. If you want to keep on growing and to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Always. Think positive.